8 months ago, I didn't even want to think about traveling abroad. And now I'm here in Norway, walking on my own, and I'm really surprised how well it's going. So yeah, it's a powerful little path, this Pilgrim path. Little 634 kilometers. And yeah. Sea and fjords. I'm in Norway. Before I came, I wasn't sure if I could do big hikes, if I could do the proper distances. And now I know I can, without being completely dead. I can do much more than I thought. And it makes me also feel like I am a pilgrim properly, even though I've not done the whole thing. Hello. Hello. Wow. I feel bad that I'm not helping, but I also don't mind. How often do you do this a day?
From 1 to 6 times a day, I think.
Wow, you must be quite strong then.
Oh yes, very.
Things I'm doing at the moment back in the Netherlands, I'm looking forward to doing them. I'm looking forward to start acting again and not have this built-in worry. We're here. Strange feeling. It's like goosebumps, but you can't see it because I've got too many layers on. Right this moment, it feels like I have actually let something go. I might have cancer tomorrow again, but I might not have it till I'm 80. You never know anyway. And it would be a shame if I worry every day till I'm 80 that the cancer might come back. Done. 0. It's a very great feeling of coming to terms with everything that happened and to put a full stop behind it. So I can just go back and face the future head on, I hope. That's what I intend to do.